And don't steal Sans from me! You'll regret it! So back off! I will get you. Talk nonsense. I only love Ada and only her, not any of you. Hey, Sans, you can go around with me in the bedroom. You know I love it. Oh, I will see. Stop there. Well, that was fun. Wasn't it, my sexy little wolfie? Yes, it was fun. Sans, now go to sleep. Sans is mine.
Hello everyone. My name is Strawberry Moonlight Machine, the cute ghost vampire princess, but you can call me Strawberry. I may have many names, but I assure you none of my titles apply to me since I am not ghostly, nor vampire nor royalty. My actual names don't really matter either since I refer to myself as Strawberry, so I don't know why I have them. I am smart, funny, brave, kind, loving, compassionate and any positive attribute you can think of, even though this is never shown. I have no flaws whatsoever. I am absolutely perfect. Having flaws would make me